everyone, this is Kuro Sage Gamer here with my playthrough of Mad Father. I just spent way too hell of a long time getting back to this point because something happened to my save. And apparently that's a theme that keeps happening with every freaking game I play recently. But basically, I had to start from the beginning to get here. So if I forgot some things while I was walking through here, I'm sorry. And also, I know the code. Shit, I wrote it down here. 1 second. Oh, crap. Good thing I did this, because I also forgot to set my timer, damn it. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I know. Thank you. 7, 4, 8, 2. There. Contains mom's belongings. It smells like mom. There's a lamp in here. Yes! It might be useful. I guess I'll take it. No shit. Just borrowing this, Mom. Got a lamp. And what's that? This is Mom's perfume. Oh god, worst time for a backstory. And also, sorry if you can't see the top of the screen where the health bar is and stuff, because I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of part of this out because some weird crap happened with my recording software as well in this game. Has a just really irritating. Oh crap! Why am I'm talking and not paying attention to what I'm doing? I'm sorry for fast forwarding through that. Mom. Oh man. If you can pause that quick enough, you can read what that said because I screwed up. I knew it. He's cheating on me with her. I can't believe this. Some girl he picked up on the street. I won't forgive him. Okay. Jesus, why are you so slow? And this stupid thing. Okay. What? Oh wait, that's perfume, wasn't it? I think she said perfume. Oh, Mom's usually so nice, but she seems so different. Oh, really? Man, this girl is like the dumbest person I know. Yeah. No, in video games. Jesus, there we are. This perfume, I put it back on dresser after that, but okay. She took care of it. That's good. After all, Mom got this from Father on their anniversary. So I'm sure Mom loved Father to the very end. No, she didn't, you dickhead. I'll take it as a charm. Alright. Can I please move now? Okay, now we gotta do the little animation of... Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and also, I found a empty lighter, like, right there, in a box. I used the knife on it, and apparently I consumed the knife, which sucks, but... I guess that's what I was supposed to use it for. Go figure. Go through the cafeteria. Like I said, I had to re-go through every last bit of this, so... Ugh. Yeah, it's the stupid dog now. Come on, come on, come. What the... I'm serious. Okay. There! Okay, that took way too long. Thank you. Yeah, fish back. Oh, the lamp. Yeah, you are dumb. Okay. Ooh, I know I'm... Wait, one second. Yeah, it's locked. I knew it. Snowball! It's gotta be Snowball. Come on, give me Snowball. Oh, I have to, okay. He's the only thing that fit through there. Let me guess, the bunny's gonna go in and make, oh, I'm playing as the bunny. I thought he was gonna get murdered. With his little bunny head chopped off. With the door. Got lighter oil. No! No! Don't kill the bunny! Don't kill the bunny! It's not, screw it. No, they are edible. Never mind. Oh no, the light went out. You're dead. Why won't it work? Please. You're screwed. And it's just gone like that. Wow, okay. Was someone behind me? Just my imagination. Just me imagining it? Yeah, right. Jesus, you're dumb. I mean, come on! Seriously, there's only... Yes, I know. Don't get near the dog. It's not what I was trying to do. Jeez, stop with the animation. Oh, crap. Maneuver around. Maneuver around. Maneuver around. Da. Via murder? Via murder? Whatever that is. Saving. Okay, now let me see here. Lighter oil. A little lighter with oil. Yes. But, wait a minute. Why would I need a lighter? Wait a minute. Wait. I have an idea. Unless I'm completely wrong and this doesn't work. Because I was thinking about cutting this thing. Oh, excuse me. Ding. It's like in the flame egg. Burn all those in my way. Yeah, I can burn it. Yeah, how did... Okay, just never mind. Just burn the abomination. Seriously? Oh, she's totally... Did you just Hadouken? She stuck her arm out and it kind of just caught on fire. She kind of just... Oh, screw it. It burns! It burns! It hurts! Help me! No. Oh no! Yeah, you just killed someone! Congratulations! You're a murderer. And I made you do it! Whee! I'm accomplice! I've always wanted to be one of them. Not a thing left, just a burnt spot, where the body used to be. A pot! A sturdy wooden box. Extremely bored. Wow. Wait, I don't know. No! I wanted to go the other way first. Maria. Mistress, you're wounded. Ah, but I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It is dangerous here. Where's father? I heard him scream from my room. Ah, I must save the doctor. Smack. I know it. Oof. You can't go with that wound. But, Maria, what happened to father? The doctors. His father is further in. His wife, she had really his wife, my mom. I'm sorry if I'm reading this kind of like a robot, but it's really hard when they're kind of doing like the dumb talk. What do you mean, Maria? Maria. She passed the hell out. It seems she's passed out. Oh, I don't need to know this. Oh, great, it's Dracula. You again. At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone on ahead, deeper into the underground maze. What did Maria see? Mom passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. You'll only be able to confirm your suspicions by pressing on, won't you? Yeah. What a weird guy. Oh shit. Look at full blood. Come on, let me touch that. Let me touch your stuff. Oh, come on. Okay, let's not press forward just yet. I can't let me second save. That is literally going out of the save box. Why? What's in this? Got one bucket. Yes! Awesome, now I can go back and do stuff. Contains unknown crap. Contains unknown crap. Gross! I don't know what some of these even is. Some of this even is. Okay. Yeah, how do you not know what some of this even is when it's clearly that it's babies in jars and eyeballs? A bottle with eyeballs fell out. Got eyeballs. You picked that up? Okay. That legitimately scared the living crap out of me, and why am I stuck? I was so not ready for that, dude. My heart stopped for like 5 seconds. Jesus. Oh, man. Okay, now I need to get the bucket. Fill it with water. Okay, got the bucket full of water. Perfect. Oh, no. This would be the worst time to get murdered. Oh, God, who would do this? Good God, this is like the worst game mechanic. I know something's going to come out from behind me. Oh, my God, it always gets me from behind. In every horror game, I don't know why. And no, that's not a dirty innuendo. Get mine out the gutter. Perfect. Save game before you die. Looks like you could go in the fireplace. Yes, go in the fireplace. Crawl through and get murdered. What the? Okay, that's a big fireplace. Girl weeping. This is probably not gonna work, but no. Okay. Well, what the? Okay, I guess that didn't work then. That was useless. Why did I even do that? I must not have what I need yet. What the? Father. Something tells me I shouldn't have progressed yet. Oh! Did Mama be risen from the grave? Because apparently I can't say words correctly. Again. Is that you? Wait. I skipped something, I think. No way. Was that really Mom? There's no way. I mistook her. That was Mom. Why was even Mom? Wait, what? It must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Oh, crap. He is exactly like Dracula. This strategy was brought about by the power of a woman's curse. The malice of your father. That malice turned into a curse. See, I'm sorry if I'm not saying stuff right. Seeking out your father's death. Could that woman be? So you do realize, yes, your mother. That can't be. Why do you think that? Because Mom loved Father. Mom even understood Father's work. And Father loved Mom in return. Wasn't Mom happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against Father. But maybe Mom didn't like Father and Maria. I don't want it to be true, but... So you'll go find the truth? Got Screw you. Let me go back. Yeah, go here. Thank you. Did one of them guys just move? No, dude, you're messing. Where is my body? Do I have to play Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo? It stinks. It stinks. Am I gonna have to find his body? Well, I'm pressing on all these. I can't find it. Found your body, dude. Want to come with me? Okay, never mind. Okay. So basically, it's gonna come after me and try and kill me. Okay, yeah, it's gonna try and kill me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Found it. Just ignore the naked dude in front of you. Thanks. Mrs. Whatever. I don't remember if I mentioned or not, but this is probably gonna be like a 30-minute to 25-minute video. Just because I want to get done with this game as quickly as possible, because the freaking episodes are taking too long. There we are. Like, I'm not getting enough done in them, I feel, so I'm gonna make them longer and edit them more. That way I don't sit here and just run around with my head cut off. 1 second. My game just breaked out and beginning to be a little freaking... There we are. Thank you. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. Move! Seriously, stop with the freaking... Oh my god. I'm going to murder this damn game. Okay. Wait. Are you serious? So, what was the use of that? Like, what was the point? What was that? That room. It seemed like it would be a boss there or something. Or not a boss, but... And there. Oh, crap. And I screwed up. Whoops. Right back. Have to reset. Yes, that worked. Okay, because that couldn't just look in the pot, okay? This is a mini chainsaw. Holy crap, I love it. Press a special key to equip the chainsaw. It can only be equipped in the basement. It can normally only be equipped in the basement. Okay. When equipped, press the confirm key to make IS swing the chainsaw down. Certain objects, barrels, empty crates, it can be destroyed this way. It cannot be used to attack enemies. That sucks. Be aware that you can't open the menu or check objects with the chainsaw out. Special key or ship. Okay. Space. Okay. Space. Shit. I remember Father scolding me for playing with this once. You played with that? Aya, what are you doing, swinging that thing around? Sorry. This is no toy. It's a very dangerous tool, understood? Never play with this anything like this again. Sorry, Father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father. Bye. Can I please move now? Because like the backstories, like they're way too long when it comes to trying to conserve time for this damn game. Okay, there we are. Like, it's a really good game, but oh crap! Whoop! Seriously? What in the action? It felt like something grabbed my leg. Oh crap. No! I'm going to be dragged away. No, you're not. Oh god, quick time event! Yay! I love these! Knock. Okay. Yeah, you're totally gonna be dragged away to die. Finally, there we are. Load, please. Holy crap, that took way too long. Alrighty. They got a chainsaw. Normally only be used in the basement. Frickin' move! There we are. Okay, that just pissed me off just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, how do I... What was the special keys again? I can't remember. Got it! How do I use this thing? Let's try the taxidermy. Come on. Give me. Gotta be kidding me, I can only use it outside. Can I murder her? That sucks. This thing's basically useless. Great. Okay. Hopefully when I edit this down a little bit, it'll be not as bad. That's how long it is. Oh, that worked! Why do they pop like balloons? That's just freaking weird. Okay. What in the... No, not unequip. Pick that up. Grab Jim. And we'll murder you. The old man mumbles to himself. Yeah, well, he's kind of cursed at doing every does. And so deceives as to true nature. Something going to create a cheese even crazier than the doctor to... well, whatever. What should I care, I suppose? Jesus. Reading man. So not my strong suit. Okay. Oh crap, no, did not mean to do that. Okay, first one, yes, thank you. This crying, I heard it in the reception room, too. Maybe this room connects to the reception room. Or maybe she's always been falling right behind me. Yikes! Wow, that was stupid. Can't see anything. That man took away my eyes. Oh, Jesus. Looking for eyes? Maybe. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? I don't think she can hear me. Wait a minute, the whole... Okay. But I tried that before. Maybe it'll only work this time. Now that I've activated... Yeah, maybe. But I'll leave that for the next episode. That's the end for this episode. If you liked it, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you think someone you know might like it, share it on Facebook and Twitter, Google Plus, or whatever you want to share it on. Alright. Ugh. Man.